Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making cookie dough. I made this a few weeks ago on my Instagram. I was still experimenting with this recipe, but I feel I've cracked it now. So I am going to show you how to make delicious, luscious, velvety, amazing cookie dough. So all you need is 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 82 grams of salted butter, 123 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, some vanilla extract, and chocolate chips, as many as you want. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is spread the all-purpose flour into a baking tray. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then put it in the oven for approx 12 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, while that's cooking, you put the butter onto your bowl, put all the sugar into this as well, put the vanilla extract, and then you give it a good mix. There may be some spillage, so be careful, just until everything is incorporated beautifully. So this is how the consistency is, and then just as this is done, you can put the milk in, which is 1 tablespoon. Give it a good mix. And then start incorporating the flour a little by little into this batter that you just made. So guys, I wish you could smell this right now. It smells so good and you can see the color changing. Ensure you even target the corners because those are some spaces that are not mixed into this batter. Oh my God, this looks so good. So this makes around 3 to 4 scoops depending on how big you want your scoop to be. So the more flour you add, the more this solidifies and it'll be harder to whisk. Okay. I'm done with all the flour. As you can see, it's super solidified right now. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is the consistency of the cookie dough. I'm just going to mush it a bit with my hand. So if you have a standalone mixer, you don't need to do that, but I just used a hand blender, which is why I'm doing it. So I'm just going to just slightly make it a bit doughy. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add chocolate chips to this. The best part about making cookie dough is you can add as much as ingredients as you wish. For example, if I wanna add more chocolate chip, I can do that. If I wanna add more sugar, I can do that. I just incorporate all the chocolate chips into the cookie dough. Just give this a good mix. Now, I don't like too many chocolate chips in my cookie dough because I wanna taste more of the dough. And then let me just stiffen this up a bit. And now I'm gonna scoop it out. Take a scooper, like so, and then you just scoop it out. And then I'll just put this. Look at that beautiful dough. It's so velvety and pretty. So guys, I just scooped the cookie dough into the bowl and it looks so beautiful. I really wish you guys could taste it. This is how it looks. Can you see the shine? It smells really good as well. Let me just scoop another one out. So as you can see, my scoops, they are pretty big and this makes roughly 3 scoops. Roughly 3 big scoops to be specific. So guys, this is how the cookie dough looks. Obviously, if you want, you can add more chocolate chips. I use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you want something sweeter, you can just use the normal sweetened one. If you don't like super sweet cookie dough, you can just use dark chocolate as well. Oh, I have to mention, by the way, the reason you actually bake the flour in advance is because it kills all the active bacteria that's in the all-purpose flour already. So ensure you bake the flour properly. If you don't do that, it may cause you tummy aches later on. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna taste my cookie dough. This tastes amazing. Now, if you want it to be more buttery, again, you can put more butter. And for the sugar, you have to use brown sugar because if you use raw cane sugar or white, in my experience when I was making it, it doesn't dissolve completely. So guys, there you go. That was the cookie dough recipe. I hope you enjoy making it. Don't forget to tag me in your Instagram stories, your posts, your YouTube videos whenever you do try making it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be coming back with another recipe very soon.